Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the drawing commands. At first, we select the line command. Either we can click a point or specify the x and y values of the first point. Then show the direction and enter the distance. Always check the x and y values. Then continue to show the direction and enter the distance. Again, show the direction and click on the first point. Press escape to exit a command and enter to re-enter a previous command. Moving on to discuss the next drawing command, Polyline. We can draw multiple lines using the polylines, and all the multiple entries will treat as one single entity. That's the peculiarity of the polyline. Again, press escape to exit. Moving on to discuss the circle command. At first, specify the center and enter the radius. The next type, specify the center and enter the diameter. We can see the difference. The third one, click any 2 points, then we get a circle inside it. It is very useful to create a circle without entering the radius or center point. Now moving to the 3-point circle, just click on any 3 points, we get a circle. No need to enter the diameter, no need to enter the radius or specify the center. Click any 3 points, then we get a circle. Next option is tan radius. We have to show 2 tangents and enter a radius. Then we get a circle connecting that 2 tangents. The last option is tan. Show any 3 tangents, then we get a circle inside it. It's very useful to enter a circle touching the 3 lines. Moving on to discuss the arc command. The first one is a 3-point arc. Just click on 3 points or enter the distance between the points. We will get an arc. The next one is start, center, end. We have to click on the start point, the center point, and the end points. We can use the control option to change the direction of the arc. Similarly, we can see a various number of options to draw an arc. Start, center, length, start and angle, start, center, end, etc. Then moving on to the rectangle command. At first we have to specify the first point, then enter the length, then press comma, then we have to enter the breadth. Then we will get an rectangle. Moving on to explain the polygon. First we have to enter the number of sides. Here we take 6 to draw a hexagon. Then we have to specify the center. After that we have to select the option inscribe the circle. So the polygon will come inside the circle. Let's also check the next option, circumscribe in the circle. For that we have to re-enter. Then the next option. Then we can see the polygon will come outside the circle. Moving on to discuss the ellipse command. We have to enter the major axis distance and the minor axis distance in order to get an ellipse. Here we can see an ellipse, and we can also edit the major or minor axis as we can see now. Then we are moving to the next command, hatching. We need to show a closed loop. Select the pattern ANS131, then select a closed area Then we can click on the close button. Again, select the pattern ANS131. We can edit the angle to change the orientation. Also, we can edit the scale factor to enlarge or reduce the distance between the hatches. Then click on the close button. We will discuss the modify command in the next video. Thank you.